Hi Devin, welcome to River Plain Dairy.
Thanks for having me. Really happy to be here today.
Oh good, we're glad you're here as well. Let's show you around.
Sure.
This farm's been in the family since 1968. This is the farm that I grew up on. You know, I lived my whole life here. It's always been in my heart to be a farmer and live and work this farm. And just want to continue that for myself and mainly for my family, to provide that for my 4 kids.
So how many cows do you have here on the farm?
We have 40 milking cows, and altogether with young stock we have 100 total cows.
Oh, that's cool. So what actually goes into taking care of the cows?
Well, a lot of hard work. We gotta milk them twice a day, feed them every day, and the more we take care of them, the more they take care of us.
Oh, that's cool. That's like a true team, man. I know all about that.
I bet you do.
So what is all this equipment in here?
This is the processing area for us on the farm. The milk comes in from the cow through these machines behind you, and then it gets filtered, and then it goes through a plate cooler, which takes the temperature down a little bit, and then gets cooled even further in the storage tank.
Okay, that's a big tank. So how much milk do you actually produce a day?
Each cow produces roughly 75 pounds per day, and so this tank holds 800 gallons.
Wow.
So it's quite a bit of milk.
Good defense.
Hey Devin, let me show you how we tackle things on my field. Devin, nice to meet you, and I'm glad you came out today. I hope you learned a lot about dairy farming.
Yeah, had a good time. First time on the farm. Happy I got to be on this farm and learn from you. You do some great things here. Happy to be here.
Oh, great. I hope you can take some things that you learn and, I don't know, maybe apply it to the way you do things on your field.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if I'll see any cows on my field, but we'd love for you to come out and see how we do things. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, have a good time.
Well, we do a lot of hard work, and so do you, I'm sure, so we can relate.
Let's make it happen.